What's up, y'all? I hope y'all had a good day. My day was great, but very, very busy. As soon as I got off work, I had to run home, pick my daughter up, take her to her appointment, go to the grocery store, come back, do homework with her, and then I came in here and cooked dinner. So, dinner is already done, but y'all gonna act like y'all don't see that and act like this was really recorded before I made the food. So, tonight we're making Salisbury steak. I don't know about y'all, but this was one of my favorite meals as a kid. One of them frozen little cheap meals with the two little thin Salisbury steaks in there, mashed potatoes and corn. That's what I had a taste for. I was at work like, dang, I y'all like want that. So that's what I came home and made. So let's go.